Now, here we'll discuss the properties of integers. So there is different properties are there. Closure property, then commutative properties, associative properties, and distributive properties. So here closure property. This is a closure property. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division also is there. What are the closure properties? Okay, try to understand what are the properties I discuss here. Closure property. The closure property. Okay. So, what if any integers, if a is an integer, b is also an integer, then a plus b also an integer. This is the closure property of for addition. Closure property of integers for addition. This is the closure property integers for addition. For addition, if a belongs to z, b belongs to z, then a plus b belongs to z. If a belongs to z, b belongs to z, a plus b belongs to z. What do you mean by belongs to? Means if a is an integer, b is also integer, then a plus b both the result also an integer. Example, look at here example. Suppose 3 belongs to z, minus 5 belongs to z. Therefore, 3 plus minus 5, the result is 3 minus 5, this is minus 2. Therefore, minus 2 belongs to z. Look at here. So here I told here, a is integer, b is integer, then a plus b also integer. So example, here 3 is an integer, then minus 5 also integer, the 3 minus 5 that is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is also, result is also integer. So what is doing here? First one, the property, closure property. This is the closure property of addition for the integers. Closure property of integers for the addition, right? Or this is a closure property of integers for addition. If a is an integer, b is an integer, then a plus b also integer, right? If a is an integer, b is an integer, a plus b also integer. Similarly, for subtraction, if a is an integer, b is an integer, then this is an integer or not? That we will discuss. Okay. So look at here. If a, in case of a subtraction, one thing we will discuss. First, addition part you understood clearly. Now for subtraction, just see. So first, if a is an integer, b is an integer, then for subtraction, what can we say? Then a minus b is not an integer or a minus b or integer. Just we have to check. This is which one is correct. If a is an integer, b is an integer, their result, the subtraction is integer or not. Okay. Any number, suppose, look at here. Suppose I will tell 6 minus 4, that is minus 2. So 4 minus 6 also minus 2. Sorry, this is 2, this is 2 and this is minus 2. So now look at the subtraction of 6 minus 4 also integer. This 2 is also integer or not? Then 4 minus 6 is also integer. So any number, any two integers, if you subtract each other, you just think the different examples. If you subtract any two integers, the result will be also an integer. Okay. So any numbers, 10 minus 5, here 5, so 5 minus 2, also 3, this is integers. All 5 may be positive, it may be negative. So it may be positive, may be negative, but that must be integers. So if a is an integer, b is an integer, a minus b also integers. Okay. So here this is also integers, a minus b also, this is also integers. Clear? So a minus b, so this one is the correct. A minus b also integers. So if a belongs to z, b belongs to z, then a minus b belongs to z. Okay. Then Finished. This is the addition, then subtraction. Now we'll discuss here what multiplication, right? Then if A is an integer, then B is an integer, then for multiplication, we'll discuss here for multiplication. If A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z, the A into B, the result also belongs to Z. Example, 2 belongs to Z, 4 belongs to Z, so 2 into 4 also 8, that belongs to Z. 2 belongs to Z, 4 belongs to Z, so 2 into 4 also 8, that is belongs to Z. Clear? Like that, minus 2 into minus 4, so minus 8 belongs to Z. Okay, so this is also the multiplication. Multiplication, the closure property of integers for multiplication also satisfied. Closure property of integers for multiplication also satisfied. Closure property of integers for addition satisfied. Closure property of integers for subtraction also satisfied. The three are satisfied. Now we will discuss the closure property for division is not satisfied. It cannot support. Here, how? Here, this is a, in this case, if division, if A belongs to Z, B belongs to Z, then A by B is not belongs to Z. Example, 3 belongs to Z, 4 belongs to Z, so 3 by 4 not belongs to Z, obviously. What? So if 3 is an integer, 4 is an integer, then 3 by 4 is not an integer. If 5 is an integer, 6 is an integer, 5 by 6 is not an integer, or 6 by 5 is also not an integer. So any two integers are there, and their division is not an integer. But you are telling that sir 6 is integer. Suppose 6 is an integer, then 2 also integer, then 6 by 2, the result also integer, because this answer is 3 also integer. You can say. Suppose if you say like this, but I can't say, because all these numbers should be satisfied, not only 1 or 2. Okay. So any integers, if you divide these two and the result must be an integer, then you can say that the property of the integers or the closure property of integers for division will be satisfied. Not only few numbers, all the numbers should be with that division will be satisfied. Here, suppose 3 is number, 4 is not, 3 by 4 is not integers. Any once any number is not satisfied, means that property does not satisfy the for this numbers. Okay, that expression over. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now as a whole, one thing I discuss as a whole. This here addition is very important. This is this role here. Look at here, closer. So here we can say that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The three, A, S and D. So addition, yes. Subtraction, yes. Multiplication, yes. This is no. Okay, so the closure property for addition, closure property of the integers for addition satisfied, the closure property of the integers for subtraction satisfied, the closure property of the integers for multiplication also satisfied, the closure property of integers for division not satisfied. So closure property of the integers, this is integers, okay, of integers, the closure property of integers for addition, subtraction, multiplication satisfied, division not satisfied. Over. Next class we will discuss commutative property. Okay, over.